enhancing transportation safety. Have you ever wondered how we manage to travel so safely across the globe? From planes soaring through the skies to cars cruising on highways, transportation safety has reached incredible heights, and a lot of that is thanks to space technology. It might not be obvious at first, but satellites and space innovations are the unsung heroes keeping us safe as we move from one place to another. Let's start with aviation. When you hop on a plane, you probably don't think about the satellites guiding it through the air. These satellites enable GPS systems and air traffic control to monitor aircraft with pinpoint accuracy. They ensure pilots can avoid bad weather, navigate safely over vast oceans, and even land in challenging conditions. It's like having a traffic cop in the sky who's always watching out for you. Without this tech, air travel wouldn't be as smooth, efficient, or safe as it is today. Now let's bring it down to the roads. GPS technology, powered by space satellites, is a game changer for drivers. Whether you're navigating unfamiliar streets or stuck in rush hour traffic, real-time data helps you find the fastest and safest route. But it doesn't stop there. Space tech is also behind collision avoidance systems in cars, keeping you aware of potential dangers before they happen. Plus, smart cities are using satellite data to improve traffic flow, making roads safer for everyone. Space isn't just about distant galaxies, it's keeping your daily commute stress-free and secure. And the future? It's even more exciting. Autonomous vehicles rely heavily on satellite technology to function. They need precise positioning, real-time traffic updates, and advanced weather monitoring to operate safely. Meanwhile, drones delivering packages or inspecting bridges are also guided by satellite networks. Every innovation in transportation safety has space tech working quietly in the background, ensuring your journey, whether by plane, car, or even robotaxi, is as safe and efficient as possible. It's amazing to think how space technology touches our lives in ways we barely notice, but wouldn't want to live without.